delivering your DoorDash?
And of course she said no.
You don't know that. He could be Korean.
Good enough. I'm like crazy. Already irritated. Oh, fuck.
Mickey made himself comfortable. What is this?
That is not gonna work.
Good morning. Now I'm just gonna enjoy my coffee with Mickey. You want some coffee? He never lets me, oh, I was gonna say he never lets me lean on him like that, but he's already irritated. I definitely have a sparkling water addiction. I have so many freaking empty cans in my room. Okay, aside from the random Alani, but this is just from the span of like 1 or 2 days. This is crazy. So now I'm gonna bleach my eyebrows. I feel like that's good enough. Yes, I wait 8 minutes and then I remove it and then I put it back on for another, I always do like 3 to 5 minutes. I'm like crazy. It's been 8 minutes.
Huh?
It started lifting. I hope it didn't die unevenly because I didn't notice. I'm gonna put it back on. And I'm probably gonna do it for another, so maybe another 5 minutes. No, 4. I don't care if it's gonna be on my skin. I don't really want to. Oh, look. This is my eye. Good enough. Okay. I think it's good enough to remove now. Let's take it off. Moment of reveal. Okay, it looks insane on camera, but I swear when I do my makeup, it makes sense.
Okay.
We have arrived. Who you checking out?
She's actually watching.
She said.
You don't even know him, baby.
You don't know that. He could be Korean.
Huh?
Probably.
Let's go, Bambi. Let's go, Bambi. You trust me? Mickey made himself comfortable. What is this? This is the guy delivering your DoorDash, by the way. He said, I'm on the way. There's a passenger princess.
Okay. Ooh, real princess treatment.
Okay. Oh my god, bro. It's like you actually shot her.
Look at this. They're killing it. Oh, that's a big dog. Oh my god. This is like...
Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me.
You guy's massive.
We're going home. Right, Mickey? You having fun, Bambi? Oh, you tired?
Why has your paw like that?
He's like, hey.
Wait, am I not supposed to press the button?
You squeeze the sides. Yeah.
Easy. Stickers. Packs.
Honey pack.
Honey pie. Okay, which one should I open first? And I didn't have. Am I supposed to open it like that?
Yeah, fine.
Check.
Cheers.
Oh! Lapras.
He's Lapras.
There's punching, dude.
He's kind of cool.
Oh!
The
Kind of
caramel
silly. I like him.
Like now,
Electric
I
cocky.
used to have this game too.
Oh! A woman.
Mommy.
Mommy. Ariana.
How are you? Weasel.
Floatzel. Oh, we're getting to the shinier ones. What? Flappy! She's cute. And
big pulls.
dun.
Misty's
Oh, you got it again. Misty Gyarados. Misty's got everything.
I know. It's been quite the
Journey
journey.
together. How's it going?
Right? You like that?
Wait. Mickey likes this one. He might just think it's food.
Think it's fluff.
Bro,
But can you like open
I'm about
it?
to fuck up your cards.
Huh?
Oh, I got it.
And
Robot guy.
Matang?
Matang. You're
That's me. That?
Sorry, I kind of disassociated. Rockruff.
Caterpie.
I like them. Ooh, wait, kind of pretty.
Yeah, good play. Durant. Kevin. Wait. Oh. Bellable.
Oh wait, he's kind of cute. Wait, he's so silly. That's your best one yet.
That's true. That one's kind of nice.
Who is
Iono's
this?
Bellabot.
Iono? Oh,
Iono.
there's not Lono.
Okay.
Wah! Surging sparks.
I am a surgeon. And Pikachu. Buttle Pikachu. Huh? But.
Building explosion. It's actually a Pokemon.
What is it called?
Arachnaga?
Uh-huh.
Archelodon? Huh. I'd say that was worth.
It's a whopping probably like 49 cents right now. Hell yeah.
What am I gonna do with that? I should sell it.
Buy a house.
You stupid.
That should be over all the
Leave this bitches.
Durant. You want Kevin Durant. A little tappy tap.
Ooh. Bellybot.
Gas.
Yes. Bellybot.
Bella.
I feel my underarm fat jiggling. Ooh. Armageddon. Oh. She almost flew. This is a loose top loader.
She's a loosey goosey.
She's a loosey goose. Pulls. Bellybot matches your face.
So Hongbao.
Sticker reveal.
Sticker reveal. Hold on. Not one.
Leafy Dynamite.
Not two.
Not Leafy.
But three pairs of the same stickers.
3 dinos.
Where do you do all this? You gotta have to like put on your bumpers.
Put on your bumper. Wilmer.
Wilmer.
I like this.
Yeah.
Guy. It's shiny too. The one that we got today wasn't shiny.
Really? This is the reverse hollow.
Reverse.
Bonita.
Bonita.
It's a little unboxing.
Wait, shiny too.
Yeah, the reverse.
Oh wait. I like this guy.
Make it look like you.
Yeah. What? I'm gonna cut it out and turn it into a sticker. Ching.
Oh, that one's hella funny. That one looks like you.
No, it doesn't.
Oh.
What the hell? He's got like snacks in his tail.
Yeah,
What a greedy flick.
It's biblical greed.
It's Alvin.
Coming into Hitbooks.
Dino. She looks lost. And she's also shiny. She's looking for her mommy.
Mommy.
Mommy, Altaria. So pretty.
Two.
Ooh, Chinchino.
Ching.
She's my girl. I actually don't think I have this one.
Yeah, that one's good.
She's in a bed of daisies. Wait, give me 2.
2 greetings.
2 greetings. looks so big. I don't think this is meant for scooping. Wait, I realized it doesn't work because of the shape of these ones. Because I'm trying to do like...
That is not gonna work.
This one's a fatty.
Oh, hold on. Make it into
Maybe
like a,
too much.
make it into like,
So I was just informed that all the episodes of season 2 of Jury Duty came out. It's the company retreat one. And I really enjoyed season 1 because, you know, it's so stupid. I think it's so funny. It's my type of humor. Let's see how long it'll take for me to finish it. I might end up just finishing it tonight. So I'm only 1 minute in and I'm already kind of dying because of this one scene. Let me show you. This is such a spoiler alert, so skip this part if you plan on watching Company Retreat. But I just got to the part where one of them just proposed to another coworker at the retreat and they weren't even dating.
huh?
He just proposed to her, hoping that she would say yes. And of course she said no.